next trip we're going to get Navman rather than Garmin's.
Navman doesn't have South American maps.
I don't think the Garmin does either.
What have we ended up in? Oh shoot, we've ended up in the town tip, haven't we?
This is thanks for everything, mate.
Oh shoot.
Go next to him so that Finn can see it, please, darling.
Hang on. I won't let him turn around.
I think we have to go back.
Yeah, you turn around.
Dave, you might like to take this road, but I think we'll go back.
Ask Anne if he can turn around first.
In Edmund Yard is a sealed road.
Yes, but there's a river between now and there.
Oh, in Havenport, not floating. The map through me shows no route through. Over. Good photo opportunity.
They knew we'd be coming back. All the locals had come out because they knew we were going to be coming back this way.
I like intersections where there are arrows pointing to where we want to go. Guys go straight on and turn left at the next one.
I think it's right, yeah, that's what I want to know.
And this one-way street coming out here.